In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Udemy effectively. Whether you're encountering technical issues, have questions about courses, or need specific account support, reaching out to Udemy's support team can help you get the answers and assistance you're looking for. Let's dive into the steps on how you can communicate your needs or inquiries to them. First off, let's start with accessing the Udemy site. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that. On the Udemy homepage, look for the login button situated in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will bring you to the login page. Once you're at the login page, you'll see various options for logging in. For those of you who have linked your Google account with Udemy, you can click on the Google icon. This simplifies the login process using your Google credentials to access your Udemy account. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you want to use, assuming you have more than one. Select the account linked to your Udemy profile to continue. After successfully logging in, navigate to your profile by hovering over your profile photo, which should now be visible in the same top right corner of the home page. This action unveils a drop-down menu where several options are listed. Within this drop-down, locate and click on the Help and Support option. This link is your gateway to obtaining the help you need. Upon clicking Help and Support, you'll be directed to Udemy's extensive support center. Here you can find answers to numerous frequently asked questions and articles on various topics related to course creation, account management, and more. However, if you need to speak directly to a support agent, scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here you'll find a Contact Us link. This link is especially crucial for when you're not finding the help articles related to your specific concern, or if your issue requires personal assistance. Clicking Contact Us will bring you to a segment of the page dedicated to directing you to the right form of support based on your role on Udemy, be it a student, instructor, or business user. Since you're looking to email them, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Learners. Under Learners, locate the prompt, How to Reach Our Support Team. Clicking on this will guide you closer to making direct contact. You're almost there. Now, the How to Reach Our Support Team section will present you with an option to fill out a form. This form is designed to be your direct line to Udemy support team. Here you can specify the nature of your concern, add any relevant details, and submit your inquiry or request for help. Look for the form link and click on it to get started. Upon clicking this link, you'll be presented with the form itself. Take your time to accurately fill out the information requested. Be as detailed and precise as possible regarding your concern to ensure the support team can provide the most appropriate assistance. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, submit your form. The Udemy support team is typically responsive and efficient, so you can expect to hear back from them with assistance or the information you requested. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting that if your concern relates to intellectual property infringement, Udemy has a different email address dedicated to handling such matters. For any issues regarding copyright or trademark infringement, you should reach out to them directly at their designated email address for takedowns. This ensures that your concern is directed to the right department promptly for swift action and resolution. And there you have it. You now know how to navigate the process of emailing Udemy for any inquiries or support you may need. Remember, Udemy's support team is there to assist you, whether it's a question about a course or technical issues you're experiencing. Don't hesitate to reach out to them following the steps we've covered. Your learning experience on Udemy is important, and ensuring that you have the support you need is part of making your educational journey as fruitful and enjoyable as possible.